Poem Two Little Dicky Birds. Repeat after me. Two little dicky birds, two little dicky birds, sitting on the wall, sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Peter, one named Paul, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.